Hi guys, so today we're going to talk about all the things you need to make your holiday sets. So you know that we love spooky season because it's all about the creative colored sets, but we feel like you could still bring that vibe with the Christmas time and New Year's. So we're just going to talk about a couple trays that we have that can give you really pretty festival sets. So first and foremost, we have our pastel color trays. They come in individual colors, and these are just perfect for a very subtle look. But if your client wants to try it, it's a great time to try just these ones since it's not too strong of a color. So we have these really pretty greens, blues, white, pink, and this pretty gray. Gray might be a really good one for just that really bloomy season vibe, and then maybe blue for Christmas, but then also just the green and the pink too. And white is always awesome for New Year's as well. So pastels are a great one, especially if you want something a little bit more subtle and not too bold for the holidays. I'm sure you were expecting these, but the glitter, as you know, are great holiday specials to add on. We have this perfect Christmas green paired with this perfect Christmas red. We do have these in 0.10, so you can grab it like a classic lash. You want to grab a little chunk, but you can break the chunks up, so that's what we would recommend you guys doing. We also recommend with glitter lashes, we always say this, but it always helps people, so we feel like we'll repeat it, that when you grab the chunk, you flip it around, dip the top in clear glue, and then wait for it to dry, dip it in regular glue, and then go ahead and place it on. And that is going to allow for the tip of the glitter to be completely sealed, and the retention of the glitter will be much, much longer. So perfect red and green for it. These do come in CC too. And then, you know, white is great, especially for New Year's. Girls will love that. We, again, love the whole silver gray look, which is really subtle and has becoming a lot more popular. Really cute, especially for the wintertime snow kind of look. And then this just perfect snow blue, we would say, is really cute too. So definitely check out the glitters. This is actually our glow glitter. So this one glows in the dark. We have two glitter series. We have our regular glitter, which isn't glow in the dark, and then we have our glow glitter, which the lash glows in the dark, as well as the sparkles on it. So super cute and festive. Next up, we're sure you guys expected this, but decals, decals, decals. Decals are just so cute and perfect for all the holidays. We have this white set right here, which just has really cute shapes. There's hearts, little hearts, circles, big circles, small circles, butterflies, stars, which might be perfect for New Year's too. Just a little pop of decal goes a long way. And then the silver one that pretty much matches the white one, except in this beautiful silver color. Again, these two colors are perfect, we feel like, for New Year's. We also have one of our favorite, probably one of the items that are overlooked, but we love these. These are our mixtape trays, and we have one specifically for New Year's or the January feel, and we have one for Christmas, and it comes with 4 different colors. We'll open this one up to show you guys. 4 different colors. All our mixtape trays come with a playlist on the back, which you guys can find on Spotify under our account, and you guys can play it too, just to feel the vibes. But all of them come with 4 different colors, 10 to 16, and this one is D. There is also CC. So this one has this ombre red, ombre green, rainbow unicorn, because that'd be really cool for a festive set, and then just a true green color. And then our New Year's January mixtape has a bunch of beautiful blues. We have the ombre white with the dark blue, ombre white with the light blue, ombre light blue with dark blue, and then another kind of darker ombre light blue with dark blue. So super cute. Ombres are really, really cute if you guys haven't tried them out yet. Another tray that we are obsessed with that might be overlooked too is going to be our midnight lashes. These colors are just absolutely gorgeous. We want to make these into like individual color trays. Just haven't had the popularity of the tray yet, but we feel like it's because we haven't really promoted it to you guys. So definitely try these out. They are 0.10 and they are flat lashes, or sorry, 0.15. And let us know if you guys like these colors. We really would love to bring them in single color trays for you guys. This really pretty green we haven't seen anywhere. This silver right here we haven't seen. Even the darker, more milky blues, grays right here are really gorgeous. So this is just a perfect kind of wintertime tray with this colorway. So definitely give these a try and let us know how you guys like them. We also have our pre-made decals, which come in our donut trays. They are 0.05 decurl, and there's so many different options, so definitely check the collection out. This one specifically, it has the blue with hearts, stars, and flowers, and it's already pre-made on each individual one, so you don't have to go through the hassle of creating your own decal with the lash. You can just go ahead, pick these off, and stick them on. And yeah, each of the donuts have 3 different kind of decals on them, so you get a variety, and they're just super cute, and this makes it a lot easier for you guys to play with decals. Last but not least, we have our just OG mixed color tray, which are these ones. These come in 0.03. We have a 0.05 collection. We have a 0.15 collection. And it comes in CC and D, and the lengths go from 10 to 25. Pretty wide range for you guys. These have all the colors you would need, especially if you don't want too much of one color. These are perfect. But if you do want a lot of one color, then we have the collections in 0.03 single colors and 0.05 single colors. D and CC for some, not all, and we do have pretty much every single color too. These are definitely 2 best-selling collections that we have. Here's a really gorgeous green and red for your just true Christmas vibes, and again, we love the blue for the holiday New Year Christmas vibe as well. So we have this kind of a blue. This is a light blue, and then we also have a dark blue. And there's just so many other lashes, you guys, that you guys can try out during this holiday season. We loved spooky season, seeing all your guys' color sets, but we really can't wait to see your holiday sets as well, because yeah, you guys just get so festive with it every year. Stay tuned to see if we're going to do a contest for December. We are doing our must-haves for November, so not a color contest this month, but we potentially might be doing one with really good prizes for December. And if you guys were wondering what this little cute guy right here is our 2023 Advent calendar, and we just wanted to kind of tease it for you guys here for you to see a little bit of it. We're not sure if there's going to be any left by the time we get this video up, but if there is, definitely grab it. There's a ton of full-size items inside, and it is jam-packed and worth every dollar. So we hope you guys like it. We're super excited to have a holiday season with you. November is going by so fast, but we'll be in December celebrating Christmas, and then quickly New Year's, and then also our birthdays on New Year's. Sure, you guys know that too, because we always do really fun things in January. So we're really excited to celebrate this holiday season with you, and to start a new year and be 4 years old with you guys. With that said, make sure to check out the blog post that always goes along with it, and let us know if you have any questions or requests or whatnot. We are trying to change things up, especially in 2024, so let us know what you want to see from us. And that's kind of it for today. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.